This is INFINIX Note 4D Pro, and today I would like to share a few useful tips and tricks on this device. So at the start, let's launch the Settings app and enter the Display and Brightness category. Here you will find the screen refresh rate property, which you can switch between 60 Hz and 120 Hz, or you can set it to the auto switch refresh rate mode. What it is responsible for is for the motion and animation smoothness, as you can tell from those preview animations. Lower refresh rate will get you less smooth animations, transitions, and overall visual experience, while higher refresh rate provides you with a buttery smooth experience. But keep in mind that the higher you go, the more battery the system is going to consume. So if you would like to get better motion smoothness, set it to high. If not, you can keep it at 60 Hz. Or if you do not want to, well, just switch it all the time, depending on what task you're doing, since sometimes you might just have a static image on your screen, which doesn't need to refresh your screen 120 times a second. So it is better to just set this value to auto switch and allow the system to always pick the best and most appropriate refresh rate value according to whatever situation you are currently in. Now you can enter the personalization category, and here you have the very cool and interesting AI wallpaper generator. So how it works, you select what style you would like to have your wallpaper generated in, for example cyberpunk, and then describe the wallpaper you want to generate. Just fit it with a prompt. So I'll go with, for example, half human, half robot, escaping the police chase. Then click generate, wait for a few seconds, and well, that's the result that I've gotten. I mean, it's not really that great since there is no actual police chase in the picture, but I mean, it at least generated some sort or some kind of a cyberpunk wallpaper. So if you want to, you can use this feature to create unique and, well, customized or custom wallpapers. In the same personalization category of settings, you can also find the always on display settings and preferences. So once enabled, even if your screen is switched off all the way, you'll still be able to see some crucial or most important stuff without having to unlock the screen. You can obviously customize its design, change the face of your AOD. You can set up a custom one. So a lot of preferences you can play with, a lot of designs to choose from. So select whatever AOD face you like, and well, go for it or go with it. And the final option that I wanted to share with you guys, you will find in the special function category of settings, and this function is performance related. It allows you to improve your system performance. So once again, here's the special function category, and it is called the MEM Fusion. Once enabled, it provides you with an additional amount of virtual random access memory. So just switch on the MEM Fusion toggle, select how many gigabytes of additional RAM you would like to get, and then restart your phone so this change will have a chance to take effect. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.